Welcome to another video of Grammar Made Easy. From this video, I'm going to start a series of videos wherein I'm going to explain all the types of tenses over here. So there are 12 types of tenses, and in this video, I'm just going to introduce you to all those 12 types. So before starting the video, you know what to do. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe it and also press the bell icon to get notified. And if you find this video helpful, hit the like button. So let's get started. So tenses. Tenses are those part of grammar which will tell you that a particular verb, it will give you more information about the verb in such a way that when did that verb took place. Okay, when did that particular thing took place. So basically there are three main types of tenses. So the three main types of tenses are past, present and future. So these are the three main types of tenses. Past, this indicates that the thing has already been over some time before or much time before, it depends, but this thing has been over. In present, this will indicate that it is in the present moment, at the present time something has been done. And in future, something is going to happen in future, not now, but maybe in the next part of the day or maybe some other day, but it is going to happen not now but some other time. So these are the three main parts of the tenses, main types of the tenses, and all of these three are again subdivided into four parts. Okay, so those four parts are simple, continuous or progressive, whatever you feel to call it. So simple or progressive. Then the third one is perfect, and the last one is perfect continuous or perfect progressive. Okay, so these are the three main types of the tenses, and then these four are the subtypes of those main types. Okay, so I'm going to make a complete series on all the types, and in every video I'm going to explain one type and I'm going to give you exercise regarding to that type. So make sure that you watch the entire series, because tenses is something in grammar that topic needs command. If you get a command over this topic, grammar really becomes easy for you. So make sure that you watch the entire series, and till then, that's all for the today video. Take care, do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and bye bye.